Hello and welcome to the Crawley Community Awards 2020. Now it has been a very different year this year. As you can see, we're filming in a different space at the Hawth. It's empty, it's just us, but that does not change the fact that we do have winners and that your name could be in one of these envelopes. So without further ado, let's get started. This award is for Fundraiser and the winner is Patrick McIntosh. Patrick is a 62-year-old triple cancer survivor who took the extraordinary challenge of cycling from Twickenham to Tokyo to help raise money for St Catherine's new hospice at Pease Pottage. 4 months, 7,200 miles and 8 countries later, Patrick timed his journey perfectly to arrive in Japan 2 days before the start of the Rugby World Cup. Battling potholes in Russia, the theft of his bike, language barriers and some brutal weather, Patrick never gave up and he has raised more than £110,000. And Patrick isn't finished yet. He plans to continue his fundraising by cycling across the USA, Iceland and the UK to complete his round-the-world trip, raising more money to support St Catherine's. Congratulations.